detail line brush number 4 or number 3 from a single brush collection, or if you have a twin tip brush, it works as well. Sometimes the longer bristle is better for you to control without feeling shaky in your hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it like right in probably a 1/3 of the nails, I would say. Can you see it right here? All right, submerging again, and keep it like you see that I'm keeping it parallel. You kind of see that my hand is shaky as well. Doesn't matter if I have coffee or not coffee, because when it comes to painting, you know, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you a really easy way. You don't have to be a master of paintings, nail artist to paint this sweater nails. I can do it, you can do it too. So even you see me, my hand shaky, but one of the things that is really helped me is really eliminate of it, because I'm using one of the fingers from the hand that I'm holding the client's nails, which is this hand, and then one hand that I'm holding my brush, having a good support stationery here. So even it's shaky, it will not like affecting your painting at all. So even if you pay attention, like my hand will be still shaky, but it's really manageable. You can definitely get that, you know, like, because especially if you're drawing a long stroke, and if you have a longer brush, the bristle, it works as well. You can go back, and you don't have to be rushed, and keep the bristle parallel, because you have a longer bristle, so it helps like really like minimum of the shaky, like you can tell that, you know. All right, so we divide to 1, 2, 3. I will give the space in the middle is a little bit more space. So now we're gonna do a different pattern than last time. What we're gonna do it's like draw. Can you see that is matte? I try to get it matte so you can see it.
Yep, like the glossy light pop, so it's easy to see where you go.
So I'm gonna do is like have a source like the S shape, and then do another one like that. There's so many different ways for you to do this really cute simple sweater, because you know, I know a lot of you have the clients that they can't wear crystals, or they just want alternative between crystal and some of fun nail art. This is definitely, it's really easy to do. Even you're not master of like painting at all, you can definitely rock this designs, no problem at all. Like now, if you can leave it like this, okay? You can leave it like this, or you can connecting it to make it totally. I have the other one. Should I connecting this one, or should I leave it like this?
Leave it.
I can leave it like this, and then we just add like one dot here, and alternative. You can create your own patterns, like however you want. If you can draw the deers, like if a lot of you really want to practice in like reindeer, do it. Do whatever, however it make you happy. And I'm going to skip this one, and I'm not connecting them. So don't key anything yet, because if you are planning to adding some of the powder on, we are going to add it on, like kind of a pattern for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you pay attention, I love that how Glitz gel polish, even though this is not like a gel painting when the collection of Glitz gel painting, but you can see that the gels is not runny at all. It's like stay where it's supposed to be, which is fabulous. Great, right? So happy with this. We're gonna leave it alone like this. Do not cure nothing yet. I'm gonna put this on the side for just a second. Still wet. Open my aqua color matching. It's great that the Glitz gel polish and then powder matching. Now just in case you don't have a matching, powder, the best you can do with crystal clear. If you have a crystal clear powder, it works as well. It's not going to give it really a depth looks of the color, but hey, it works, you know, it does the job. So we're gonna sprinkle it. So that's the reason why I coat it with a matte top coat. Either you coat with matte top coat or shiny top coat, but they both have to be no wipe. Because when it's done, it completely a dry surface for you. So when you are painting some of the details on it, and then you sprinkle this powder on, it would not stick on the surface that it have a tacky layer. But if you don't wipe it off, it might stick it on it, and it might kind of make a little mess for the sweater look. All right, just like I will sprinkle about 4 or 5 times to make sure they are absorbing it's perfect to the gel polish, and make sure on the right, on the left, it get capped with the powder. So now good, we'll just tap couple of tap, and then we are going to get it cure. Do not dust anything yet, so we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds completely full cure. Okay, all right,